Hi guys, this is Siddhant from FINLIFE, and today we'll be talking about a company called Sandur Manganese and Iron Ores Limited. It is, in abbreviation, it is called as SMI Ore. So the company has been there since 1954 and has been there and in mining operations for a very long period of time. Particularly, it has been mining manganese from Sandur Hills, and it has been growing ever since. The company has been mining approximately on a land base of around 2005 HA and has been growing ever since. Talking about the company's market cap is around 776 crores. The assets of the company are around 686 crores. The debt in the company is approximately negligible, standing at 4.58 crores, and the book value of the stock is around 643 crores. 643. So if the company is getting liquidated, you will get at least 643 rupees per share. Talking about the sales, the company had sales in 2014 of 347, which increased to 2018 to 612, which is a growth rate of approximately 15% every year. Talking about the profit in the company, in 2014 the company made a profit of around 37 lakh crores on a turnover of 347 crores. Whereas it has increased that 37 crores to approximately 110 crores of profit every year on the turnover of 612 crores for the year 2018. The earning per share in 2014 was 41.56, which increased to around 126 per share in 2018. So the earning per share growth rate has been at the rate of 32% approximately. Increasing this earning per share growth rate at the rate of around 32% itself, the current growth rate, if the company is able to manage that for the next 5 years, we'll see that in 2023 the new earning per share of the stock will be around 506. Usually the PE band in the stock has been trading between 6.95 at the lowest level, which is in 2018 itself, and highest it has touched 76.04 in 2016, but we won't consider that for our calculations because in that year the profits went down massively, and that is giving us a wrong figure because the profits went down and the price stood at the same level. So and PE is calculated just by dividing the the prices divided by the earning per share. So that is giving us a PE of 76, which is wrong in this case. So for our calculations, we'll take the lowest PE as 6.95 and the highest PE as 19.91. So in order to calculate the future prices, what we'll do is we'll simply multiply 506 by 6.95 to get the lowest price range, and 506 by 19.91 to get the highest price range. So we are expecting that the stock will trade somewhere between 3,518 and 10,082. So that is the price range in which we expect the stock to trade, if assuming that the stock will and the earning per share of the stock will keep on growing at the rate of 32% itself. The current price of the stock is at 887 rupees. So we are expecting approximately 30% plus returns in the stock over the next 5 years if it falls into all the same categories. The stock has corrected also over the last 1 year. The highest point, the 52-week high of the stock has been at 1445, and the current stock price is trading at 887. So you can see that it has fallen down by approximately 40-45%. So that is about the resistance, and that is the same resistance at which it is maintaining the highest point. If we check out the lowest point and the nearest support of the stock is at around 844. That is the nearest support, and below that we've got a major support at 783 rupees per share. So that's about for Sandur Manganese and Iron Ores. Now I'll give you figures of return on net worth and return on capital employed, and then we'll take a 10-second break so that you can absorb all the figures. So talking about the return on net worth, the company has been faring pretty well since in 2018 the profits of the stock also increased, and the profit margins are remaining at between 7 to 15% approximately on an average year on year. So checking out the return on net worth and return on capital employed, the company is faring pretty good, and you can see the numbers on the screen. If you check out the return cash flows, all the three operating, investing and financing cash flows, you can check them out, that they have also improved significantly. The auditors of the company are Deloitte Haskins and Sells, plus the managing director is Nazim Sheikh, and the chairman of the company is SK Ghorpad. So that's about it for Sandur Manganese and Irons. Further, I would like to add that mutual funds are holding just 2.86% in the stock, and the dividend yield in the stock is around 0.79%, so that's not a lot. And so I'll take a break of 10 seconds so that you can just absorb all the figures together. So that's the sum up for Sandur Manganese. If you have any doubts, any comments, you can just mention them in the comment box. Plus, if you're checking this video out on on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that we keep on making such regular videos for you and get motivated to do the same. Plus, if you are there on on Telegram, so please do follow us there. We tend to give detailed and good information about various kind of stocks and some daily inputs for about various stocks, and in some intraday strategies, how people can place trades and everything. So you can check us out on Telegram. Plus, that's about it for this video. Keep liking and sharing. Signing off, Siddhant Goel from FinLife.